In this video, I will show you how to untag yourself from Instagram post. Open up Instagram app. Click on your profile icon. Click on this three slider. Click on your activity. Click on tags. Go ahead and click on the post that you are tagged with. Click on this three dots from the top. Click on tag options. Go ahead and click on remove me from post. Go ahead and click on remove me from post. And you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.